Good afternoon. So here second unit we will start, that is resonance. There are the two types. So syllabus you are observing here. So I will show here syllabus. So series resonance and parallel resonance. There are the two types in this syllabus or two important bits. So in series resonance, first of all we are looking what is the series resonance, what is the definition of resonance, and then we will see the classification series as well as parallel. After that, we will start the series resonance, impedance and phase angle of series resonance circuit, then voltage and current in series resonance circuit, effect of resistance on frequency response curve, then bandwidth, selectivity and quality factor, and after that significance of quality factor. So these all are the bits we are covering in the series resonance, and based on this there are the some formulas are there, and based on those formulas we are solving some numericals. Okay, now after that we will move towards parallel resonance circuit. So in that we are first of all looking what do you mean by parallel resonance, what do you mean by parallel resonance circuit, that is nothing but tank circuit. So after that we will see the derivation to obtain the resonant frequency of tank circuit, and variation of impedance with respect to frequency we are going to study. After that we are going to study the different reactance curves which will affect on the frequency of parallel resonance, and we are also going to solve the numerical problems based on parallel resonance circuit. So this is the overview of unit number 2. So I will request everyone to note down the syllabus in your notebook first of all. So I will give 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Everyone should note down the syllabus what you are observing on screen. Note down in your notebook. So take a 3 minutes and complete that syllabus. So after the syllabus, title of the chapter is resonance. So what do you mean by resonance first of all? So it is an electrical phenomenon. It is an electrical phenomenon which selects a particular frequency, which selects a particular frequency of the signal while eliminating while eliminating remaining frequencies, while eliminating remaining frequencies. So example I will give a radio receiver, a radio receiver, okay, or we can say FM radio. So here the name of the unit is what? Resonance. So what do you mean by resonance? Resonance, it is an electrical phenomenon which selects a particular frequency of the signal while eliminating remaining frequency. So example I have given radio receiver, that is FM. Everyone know the FM. So what is the function of FM, or what is the function of your radio? Anyone? What is the function of radio? काय करतात तुम्ही रेडिओ जेव्हा तुम्ही यूज करताल? What you are doing? Give the answer. Anyone? Hello? Receiving the signal, but you are selecting the channel, no? तुम्ही चॅनल सिलेक्ट करतायत की नाही? व्हॉट आर द चॅनल्स आर देअर इन एफ एम सिग्नल, एफ एम रेडिओ नाव डेज? व्हॉट आर द चॅनल्स? हा, चॅनल कुठल्या कुठले आहेत? 91.1 मेगाहर्ट्ज, यू हर्ड 91.1, 92.7 ऐकलंय का कधी? काय ते 91.1, 92.7, 95, 103? यस, दॅट इज अ फ्रिक्वेन्सी. मग तुम्ही 91.1 मेगा हर्ट्ज, बरोबर आहे. 91.1 मेगा हर्ट्ज हे एका चॅनलचं फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे, ट्युनिंग फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे, बरोबर आहे. सो जर तुम्ही 91.1 च्या ऐवजी 91.3 ला सिलेक्ट केलात तर काय होईल? दुसरा चॅनल सिलेक्ट होईल, पण दुसरा चॅनलचा जर तो फ्रिक्वेन्सी असेल तर आता 91.1 झाल्यावर 92.7 लागतो डायरेक्ट, बरोबर आहे. मग इन बिटवीन जर 91.3 किंवा 91.4 ला जर तुम्ही स्विच केलात तर तुम्हाला आवाज ऐकू येतो का? आवाज तुम्हाला ऐकू येणार नाही, क्लिअर ऐकू येणार नाही, किंवा दोन चॅनलचं मिक्सअप आवाज ऐकू येईल किंवा डिस्टर्बन्स येईल. सो व्हॉट डू मीन बाय दिस? सो the selection of the channel is depends on the phenomenon, and that phenomenon is called as resonance. ते सिलेक्ट जे करतात ना तुम्ही चॅनल, that is based on the resonance. So resonance is nothing but selecting a particular frequency, म्हणजे 91.1 तोच सिलेक्ट करायचा, while eliminating remaining frequency. जेव्हा तुम्ही 91.1 सिलेक्ट करता तेव्हा तो बाकीचे फ्रिक्वेन्सी जे काही येईल ते एलिमिनेट करतो. So that phenomenon is called as what? Resonance. Now understood what you mean by resonance, everyone? Now understood? Selecting a particular frequency म्हणजे आता समजा मला 104 वाला चॅनल लावायचा आहे. 104.1 ला तुमचं चॅनल सिलेक्ट होत आहे, तुम्हाला 104.1च सिलेक्ट करावं लागेल. जर तुम्ही 103 केलात तर चॅनल दिसणार नाही किंवा चॅनल ऐकू येणार नाही. So you have to select a particular frequency, you have to tune the particular frequency for the selection of channel, and that tuning, that selecting procedure, that selecting phenomenon is nothing but resonance. Understood? Now understood? Okay, now we will move towards the second point, that is the central idea of the chapter. So what we are going to learn in this unit, that is coming under central idea of the chapter. So in this chapter, or this chapter deals with, this chapter deals with resonance, classification of resonance. So what are the two types here? Series resonance and parallel resonance, as you observed in the syllabus point. Okay, so that comes under classification of resonance. Then effect of so effect of bandwidth, quality factor, effect of bandwidth, quality factor, selectivity on frequency response, that we are going to learn. On frequency response, that we are going to learn in this unit. So it may be series resonance circuit or it may be a parallel resonance circuit. Okay, so this will be the central idea of the chapter. Also, after learning this all those points regarding the series resonance and parallel resonance, we are solving the numerical problems based on these units. Okay, so we will move towards the, So importance of the chapter. Once again, I will read importance of the chapter. After studying this resonance, we are able to analyze the series and parallel resonance circuit for various industrial applications. So example is the communication system. Okay. Okay. Now next point will be what will be the course objective. Sorry, or objective oblique outcomes of the chapter. So after completion of this unit, so I will write first of all only one will be there. After completion, after completion of this chapter, students students will be able to students will be able to. So this will be the course outcome. Analyze Students will be able to analyze series and parallel series and parallel resonance circuit. Okay, so this will be the only one objective or outcome of the chapter. Now after that, which book we have to refer? So that will come under recommended books. Recommended books. So take down this as a textbook. So that will be the circuit and network. Circuit and network by Circuit and Networks by A. Sudhakar and Shyam Mohan Palli. Shyam Mohan yes Palli. So this is the Tata McGraw-Hill publication. So this book you can refer for unit number 2. Okay, this book will be the sufficient for unit number 2. So this will be the basic points we are going to cover before starting the unit number 2. So anyone, any type of doubt regarding these all points? So in the university exam, uh, there will be the total 10 marks question will be there. Apart from the MCQ, there will be 2 MCQs based on the unit number 2 for 2 marks. Then there will be a 4 marks question will be there in the say, question number 2. So total 6 marks. And after that 6 marks question will be there in the question number 3. So total 12 marks question will be there. 12 mark question in the or from the unit number 2. So in the in the section 1, this will give the 12 marks. If you are preparing this unit very well, then it will give the 12 marks in the university question paper or in the university exam. So prepare for it. This will be totally based on the theory, and problems are also simple compared to unit number 1. The problems are very easy. Okay, now we will start today. That will be the first point. What do you mean by the series resonance? So we'll start with series resonance. So so before series resonance, there are the two types. Okay, so in that, first will be the series resonance and second will be the parallel resonance. So series resonance we will start today. So in the series resonance, suppose we will select the circuit here. So this is the source. Now whether this is DC or AC, who will tell? AC source or DC source? AC source. Whenever the sinusoidal, हा symbol कशाचा आहे? Sinusoidal signal. Okay. So whenever the symbol is like this, the source is AC. Now here resistor R is there, here inductor L, here the capacitor C. Now the voltage across resistor is VR, voltage across inductor is VL, and voltage across capacitor is VC, and only one current is flowing through this series circuit, and I will give the name as I. So this is called as what? Series resonance circuit. So I will give the name as figure 1, series resonance circuit. Series resonance circuit. Okay. So here the example I have given as a radio receiver. So what is the function of that radio receiver? To select a certain frequency transmitted by station and eliminating all other frequencies from other station. So based on that principle, this series resonance circuit will work. So we'll start now derivation. In a series, series RLC म्हणजे RLC are connected in series. In a series RLC circuit, the current lags behind or leads the applied voltage okay, depending upon the values of XL and XC. So what do you mean by this statement? या स्टेटमेंटचं मीनिंग काय? इन ए सिरीज RLC सर्किट द करंट म्हणजे कुठला? I. Okay, that current I. So the current I lags behind or leads the applied voltage. Applied म्हणजे काय? VS means this source. Now in series RLC circuit, the current I lags behind or leads the applied voltage VS depending on the values of XL. So what do you mean by XL here? XL is इम्पेडन्स किंवा रिॲक्टन्स. जसं रेजिस्टन्सचा आर असतो तसं इंडक्टर आणि कॅपॅसिटरला काय म्हणायचं? इम्पेडन्स. सो इम्पेडन्स ऑब्लिक रिॲक्टन्स ऑफ इंडक्टर, that is XL is equal to omega L. So where L is the value of inductor and omega is nothing but angular frequency. Omega म्हणजेच काय? Omega is equal to 2 pi f. So f is nothing but frequency of this Vs. Okay, frequency of this signal. AC signal ला frequency असतो, बरोबर आहे? So the frequency of f is nothing but frequency of this AC signal Vs. So similarly here Xc is nothing but impedance of or reactance of capacitor. So here Xc is equal to 1 upon omega C. Xc is equal to 1 upon omega C. So again here omega is nothing but same 2 pi f and C is nothing but value of capacitor. Okay. Now unit of both XL आणि XC त्यांचं युनिट काय असणार आहे? ओहम. The unit of both XL and XC काय आहेत? इम्पेडन्स. मग इम्पेडन्स युनिट काय असतो? ओहम. Okay, remember this point. Now next one. So what do you mean by this one statement? The current I lags behind or leads the applied voltage. So I will show with the help of graph. So suppose the current I lags behind or leads the applied voltage. Suppose applied voltage is Vs here. So current in that. So V versus I. Suppose we are drawing the current voltage versus current. So here, suppose this will be the current I. So the current I leads the voltage V by angle theta. म्हणजे I हे Vs पेक्षा पुढे आहे किती angle theta. So here I will tell the current I leads the applied voltage Vs by angle theta. Okay. So similarly जर असं ग्राफ असेल, so this will be the Vs. समजा इकडे असेल करंट. Okay. So what do you mean by this statement? Here current I lags voltage Vs. Current I lags voltage Vs by angle theta. म्हणजे I हे Vs पेक्षा माग आहे. लॅग्स म्हणजे माग, लीड्स म्हणजे पुढं. ओके. करंट I lags voltage Vs by angle theta. So in this way the current I lags behind or leads the applied voltage Vs. It depends on the values of XL and XC. XL आणि XC चा व्हॅल्यू चेंज झाला तर हे पोझिशन चेंज होतील. So according to that the concept of resonance will depends. Okay. So tomorrow in the tomorrow's lecture